Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install YouTube Studio for affiliate analytics and click tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install YouTube Studio for affiliate analytics and click tracking, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official YouTube website. Sign in to your YouTube account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select YouTube Studio from this menu to access the platform. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, look for the Analytics tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Analytics tab to explore various performance metrics for your videos. To track affiliate links, ensure you have a reliable URL shortener or tracking tool integrated. Set up your affiliate links using your chosen tracking tool. Copy the shortened affiliate links to use when promoting your content. In your video descriptions, replace standard links with these affiliate tracking links. Consider adding a callout in your video to inform viewers about the affiliate links. Once your video is published, return to YouTube Studio to monitor your analytics. Check the traffic source section to see how viewers are interacting with your affiliate links. Analyze the data over time to refine your strategies for better engagement and conversions. Adjust your affiliate promotions based on the insights you gather from your analytics. Continue to update your links and content regularly to reflect changes in your affiliate programs. Use this process to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts on YouTube. Always stay informed about YouTube's evolving guidelines to ensure compliance. Embrace the learning curve, and don't hesitate to experiment with different tactics to see what works best for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.